Welcome back, guys. This is part 2 of our quiz app. And in previous video, we have successfully created a splash screen. And in this video, we will be doing sign up and sign in page design. And later on, we will link it with Firebase. So let's do it. So create a new package. Create a new activity with an MTV activity and name it as sign up. Sign up and click on finish. Wait for some time, it will get sync. So now in sign up XML, activity sign up XML, split this view, and inside this, as we will not work with constraint layout, we will use relative layout, and inside the relative layout we will use an linear layout with match parent and match parent width and height, and give color to the relative layout as background color. Give first black and select from the custom color and select blue color. Give it padding of 3 dp, and inside our linear layout, let's give it a background. We will not select any color for the background, we will use image. So I will give Telegram link on description. You can download image from my Telegram channel. I already have that image on my desktop, so I will copy this and paste it in drawable. You can download this from my Telegram channel, paste it here with the name, same name, and click on OK, and write here @drawable register background. You can see this is my background image. Now in next line, give it orientation as vertical, and in next line write gravity as center horizontal, and close this tag. And inside the linear layout, we will use text view with wrap content and wrap content. Make it wrap content, and now give it a text as sign up. You can write your own text, and below this text you can see this text is very small. To make it large, give it a text size, give it 32 sp, and after the text size you can see it is touching top, so give it a margin from top. Give it margin top as 10 dp. Now it is not touching top. Now in next line, write here text style as bold. This will make the text bold. And in next line, give it text color and select color white, or you can simply write hashtag FFF and close this tag. And from the next line, we will use a new tag with edit text. This will be used for taking input from user. This make it as match parent and wrap content, and give it a hint of enter your name, or you can simply write name. And in next line, give it a text size of 23 sp, and in next line, give it a padding of 10 dp, and in next line right here margin as 10 dp or 15 dp, whatever you want. I'm writing a 15 dp, and give it a text hint color as white. It is not looking good. Give it a text hint color as black, but the background is not looking good, so let's create a background for it. Before creating background, you can see its position is not so good because it is touching our sign up text, so we will have to give it margin from each side. Right here margin top as 30 dp. It is not working because we already have given it a margin, so remove this line. Now let's give it margin from other sides also. So right here margin end and give it 15 or 10 dp, whatever you want. I'm giving here 10 dp and give it a margin start of 10 dp. Now you can see it has come to a good position. So now close this tag and let's make a background for this edit text. So go to drawable, create a new drawable resource file, and inside the selector write here shape, and in file name give it as edit text underscore background and click on OK. Now inside the shape you have to write here shape and give it a rectangle shape, and inside the shape tag create a corner and give it a radius of 9 dp or whatever you want. We will adjust it later, and give it a stroke and write here width of 1.5 dp, and if it is too much then we will change it later, and give it here a solid and give it color of white. So select color from here, go to custom color and make it transparent. This is okay, or adjust it according to your own, or you can simply copy this code and close this tag. Now go to activity sign up. Inside our edit text give it a background and write here @drawable edit text background. Now you can see it is looking good, but we need to change its position again. So let's make its margin top as 60 dp. This one here, margin top, go to margin top and make it 60 dp. Now this is looking good, and from end and start also give it margin of 15 dp and give it 15 dp. Now give it an id, write here id as username, and also give it a text or input type, and you can write here text username or person name, and copy whole this edit text, and below this paste it, and again paste it, and again paste it. So now we have 4 edit text, but the space between them is so large, so let's change their space between them. So make it margin top as 30 dp, or 30 is too much, write at 25 dp, and change the username to email, user email, and write here enter your email, and change this text input type as email, text email, and change the id to user phone, and change this to enter your number, and here the input type make it number. This will improve our user experience, and give it margin top of 25 dp, and here in last edit text change its id to password, and give it a hint or enter your password, and also change its margin top as 25 dp. As you can see, this is our UI, but it is not looking so good, so we will work on it. Firstly, we will change the background color of edit text and make it more round from the corner. So go to your edit text background and make it as 1 dp width and radius as 10 dp, and we will change the color of its background. So simply write here hashtag and write FFF 3 times, capital F, hashtag capital FFF, and we will make it transparent. So make it transparent and adjust it yourself. And now go to your activity. Now this is our UI. It is looking much better than earlier. And let's make some changes in these hints also. So go up and make the text size as 21 sp. Make it 21. This is looking good. And now padding is okay. And make it by small and name small. And inside this, keep only email. No need to write enter your email, and make it text size of 21 sp. And same thing in the number. Write here phone number and make it 21 sp. And in last edit text, make it 21 sp and write here only password. So this is looking good. So we forgot to change the text type here. Input type, write here text password, and let's check up, and here it is number, it is email address. Okay, now everything is looking good, but the sign up heading is not looking good. So let's go up and change the text size from 32 to 37 sp, and also change the text as sign up here. Now change the margin top to 20 dp. Now it looks good. When the user input their details, there must be a button. So write here button. This button will be used to submit those details. Make it as 200 dp, 200 dp, and height will be wrap content. And inside this, write text and write here register, and give it a text size of 22 sp. Let's change the width to wrap content, because register word is of good length. So make it wrap content and give it a padding of 10 dp. So let's remove the padding because it is not looking good, and give it a margin top of 30 dp. Right here 30 dp. So this is looking good. After the button, we need a text which will say if you have already signed up, you can sign in now. So write a text view, write a text view and give it a wrap content and wrap content. Give it text already registered and question mark, and give it a margin top. Firstly, give it a text size of 20. 20 is so large, so write here 18 sp. So after this, give it a margin top of 10 dp, or you can give it 20 dp. So now below this, we need one more text. Write text view, make it wrap content, and give it a text. Write here sign in here, and close this. Give it a text size of 18 sp, and this will work for the button, this text. So make it bold. So write text style bold. This is not looking good, so let's make both one after one. And firstly change the text size as 15 for already signed in. So to bring both the text one after one, here we need sign in here after the already registered. We need a linear layout with wrap content as width, and height also wrap content. So right here wrap content and wrap content, and give it an orientation of horizontal. Now close this tag, close this with linear layout as ending tag, and cut both this text view, cut this and paste inside linear layout. Now you can see this has come one after one, but we have given it margin top, so that's why it is coming down. And also remove this here text from sign in, and in linear layout give it a gravity as center. This is layout gravity, give it gravity as center. And now we need to change this margin top, so remove this margin top line, this one from text view 1, and remove it. Now you can see both are aligned in single line, but we need a margin top because these are too close to button, so give it a margin top, and you can give it anything. I am giving it 20 dp. So this is how our UI looks, and when the user click on the register button, we will take all the input from the user, their name, their email, their phone number and password. But when the user will click on the register button, it must show a processing box here. So below the linear layout, right here progress bar, make it as wrap content, and give it a margin top as 10 dp, 20 dp. Yes, it is looking good, and close this tag. But when the user comes firstly to this page, we don't need to show this progress bar, so make it visible. Right here visibility as invisible. Now we will make it visible in our Java code, and give it an ID, give it ID as progress bar, make P capital, and now give ID to this text view also, because we will perform an on click on this text. So right here sign in, make S small and I capital, and above here in the button give it an ID, right here ID as register, and in above in the password it is given ID, here also ID is given, here also ID is given, and ID is given. We don't need to give a ID to sign up here text. So that's it, this is our sign up screen. So now we need to initialize this in our Java file. So close all this and open sign up Java, this one. Here we will have to define and declare all those views. So right here edit text, and we had one username edit text, and we had a user email edit text, we had one user phone edit text, and we had one password text. So after this right button, register, and close this, and we had one text view as sign in, and close this. Now we need to declare all this. So inside on create, username is equals to find view by id r.id dot username, and close this. Right, and in next line duplicate this all 4 times. Right here user email, and right here user email, and in next line right here user phone, and right here user phone, and after this right here password, right here password, and after this we need to declare button also, sorry, define button also. Right here register, and here also write register, and right here sign in, and right here sign in. It is showing error in register. and sign in. Bus register button is here and control and sign in button is also here. So error is not valid. So now when the users come to the app, we must go from splash screen to sign up. So inside the intent, right here, instead of main activity, right here, sign up. And now you can run this app and test it. So our app has run splash screen and these are our fields. You can write here name here. I will write Pavan Singh and give it any email ID. I will write here abc@gmail.com. Write here phone number. I am writing random numbers. Give it any password. As the input type is password, it will hide the password by default and click on register. This is our button. It will not show any work because we have not defined it yet. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. I will bring next part soon. I got late in publishing this video. I am sorry for that.